The Sender, Realtors property video is presented by Leonard Davis. Wylie Schools. Very open floor plan from the kitchen to the living room. Lots of natural light, beautiful upgraded tile, wood-burning fireplace with stone and mantel high ceilings, beautiful neutral tone colors, tiled shower and master, separate garden tub, large walk-in closets, covered patio, quiet cul-de-sac, fence with no neighbors behind you. For more information, review the details below.